One of the most frequently asked questions we get is, how much would it cost to build X number bedroom house at location X? Well, the answer to that may not be as forthcoming as it may first appear to be. Well, there are many predictive correlations that can inform on the cost of construction. These estimates can often be misleading, both on the high and on the low end of the spectrum. Yes, there are industry standards, but these often do not paint the full picture, as they do not take into account the small and many nitty-gritties that are often the source of a fair chunk of challenges that are faced by aspiring property developers. The solution? Simply not putting the cart in front of the horse. This basically means that a good design is the most reliable predictor for construction costs. Now, a good design should not only be functional and aesthetically pleasing, it should also address the wants and needs of the client, as well as adapting to the existing challenges and limitations that can exist. These will allow you to be able to get the most bang for your buck, to be able to stretch your coin and squeeze out as much value as is humanly possible. With a detailed design, we will be able to work out exactly how much the cost will be, as the factors that contribute to the construction costs, such as the size of the property, the architectural and structural form it assumes, as well as the type and quality of finishes one installs, can be easily identified, narrowed down to, and understood. More to that, with a detailed design, we will be able to do some value engineering such that we will be able to take into account all your constraints and be able to come up with a product that pays homage to your existing challenges or conditions, such as the availability of funds or even the availability of land. With this approach, nothing is really left to chance. So I'd encourage you to visit the Ruby Group Ltd today so that we can start on creating a very responsive design that can not only be able to meet your wants, needs, and dreams, but one that is viable within the constraints that prevail. Now, you should avoid the frustrations of a stalled project by first and foremost understanding the complexity of design and then understanding the cost implications that do come with it. Now, you should visit us at the Ruby Group Ltd because we here at the Ruby Group Ltd are one of the best, if not the best, dare I say, design and build firms within the East and Central African regions. And that, my friends, is not by chance or accident, but entirely by design.